Hi guys, Joe here. This is my setup for my Esee laser strike, which is this one here. So I'm still testing this one at a time. I just want to show you what I keep in my big pouch, and this is from the video I made of with the upgraded tin. So this one has some cordage, 2 candles, ferro rod and striker, pocket bellow. You got various types of Pro Cam Tech fire starters here, which are great. Got a bit of fat wood. Got a lighter, some duct tape, some wax jute, Vaseline in a straw with a cotton inside, that paper tinder, and a Fresnel lens. So this one's been cut down to fit into the tin. So that's what I keep in my little tin in my Esee pouch. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.